Hello, today in this video I'm going to be unboxing this. So if you didn't know what this is a Dazzle, that thing I've ordered from eBay for about £9 including postage. A bit messy here. So you see what it is there, then. Come on, why use tape? There we go. Right, so what this is here, this is a video creator with a Platinum, and it's basically, if you have composite video, you can connect stuff like camcorders and that, and then put it into your computer to capture video. So basically, this is inbox, bought it for very cheaply on eBay, as many of these go for way more. It includes everything, I believe, and I think they may have included a little bit of an extra thing for my trouble and stuff like that. So of course, you have this little cable there. Of course, you have the cover. I've got to take that out there. We have a little box, so if you have SCART, you have to just do that, and then you can connect it to your Dazzle. And then here is the thing. So it's still got it on the there. So they must have reapplied that. So it's like new inbox and all that stuff. Let's see. So you can see you have a little quick start guide. This product is about over 10 years old now. Where's me English? Here you go. Here's what you should have. Not included then that. But yeah, we have to just not do a lot. But yeah. Found it pretty cheap because some people are trying to sell these on eBay for like 60 quid, which is pretty expensive to be honest. So I'm just gonna get on over and plug this in. Meanwhile, I'm gonna undo this so you can just see what it's like. So I'm doing this mainly for home videos. You're not allowed to do stuff like if you're trying to like do videos or something, especially in the UK. I think you can in the US, but you cannot in the UK. So of course it's breaking copyright laws, because of course, even though it's like your own safety, there's a little cover line. Basically, you just still cannot because of copyright. But in America you can make backups of stuff. So basically I'll just go right on over to the